Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Map animations in CapCut are a fantastic way to elevate your travel content, documentaries, or educational videos. They can be simple route lines or complex VOX-style explanatory graphics. CapCut's blend of user-friendliness and powerful features like keyframing, overlays, and masking makes these effects surprisingly accessible. This tutorial will cover creating stunning animations, travel maps, and VOX style elements in CapCut. The first part, gathering your materials, which is very essential. We need map image or video. You can use a static map image, which is a screenshot from Google Maps, Apple Maps, or a satellite image from Google Earth. You can also have recorded Google Earth or Maps footage, a screen recording of a zoom in or out or a pan on a map. You can just refer to our tutorial on Google Earth so that you can get these best recording practices as well. You can also have custom map graphics. If you are going for a more stylized look like VOX, you might create a custom map image in a graphic design tool like Photoshop, Canva, or Figma with specific colors or simplified details. We also have location icons or pins, which is optional, but I would recommend that you get small PNG images of an airplane, car, or even a simple location pin or dot. You also need background music and sound effects. Think about a calm, adventurous, or explanatory track. You also need your main video clips for transitions, the actual footage from the locations you are animating on the map as well. Let's get now to the core techniques for map animations. We have basic travel map with animated icon, which we shall do here. This is a classic, that is an icon like a plane here moves across a map showing a journey you went through. So you need to first open CapCut, and inside CapCut now go ahead and import the map. Start a new project and then import your map image or video and place it on the main track. You also need to adjust its duration to match your desired animation time, e.g. 5 to 10 seconds. Now you'll need to add travel icon as overlay as well. So import your airplane or car icon, drag it onto the timeline above your main clip as this one as an overlay. You need now to resize it and position the icon at your starting location on the map. Now we are going to animate the icon with keyframes. Select the icon overlay, place the playhead at the beginning of the icon's journey, then add keyframe here at the right side under position and size. Move the playhead to the next destination point on your map, drag the icon to that new position in the preview window. CapCut automatically adds another keyframe. You now need to repeat all these for all points along your travel path to make it smooth. You also have rotation. If your icon needs to turn, e.g. a plane turning, add keyframe for rotation as well to make it follow the curve of your path. You have ease graphs, so you can use ease in or out or custom graph between keyframes for smoother, more realistic icon movement. Let's get to the VOX style map animations, which is informative and minimalist. Now, this is how to do that. VOX style animations often feature simplified maps highlighting specific regions with color changes, pulsing effects, and clean text. Now, prepare your map image. A simplified flat map is best. You can take a screenshot of a region in Google Maps, then potentially simplify it in a graphic editor, removing unnecessary details and even setting consistent colors. For region highlights, you'll need to create separate transparent PNGs of the specific region outlines, e.g. a country border, a city district. This will be overlays. Now import map. Place your base map image on the main track. Highlighting regions also is a quick technique here. Just import the transparent PNG of your first region outline. Add it as an overlay here. Align it perfectly over the corresponding area on your base map. Now we have some animations. We have opacity fade. Use keyframes on opacity. Start at 0%, go to 100% to make the region fade in. We also have scale pop-up. You can combine opacity fade with a slight scale keyframe that is starts slightly larger and then scale down to 100% for subtle pop. Now you can also animate text overlay. Go to text here. Use default text or text template. Type location names, statistics, or explanatory facts. Animations in here, you can use in or out animations, e.g. fade in, typewriter, slide to make text appear and disappear clearly. You can also keyframe the text. Use keyframes in on position here and size of text to make it moving along with the map, pan, or to highlight even different areas. You also have highlighting specific words. For text on a solid background, you can create separate text layers for words you want to highlight, e.g. a different color, and use keyframes on their opacity or scale to make them pop. You also have clean sound design. Use subtle whoosh sounds for fading elements or text animations, gentle pops or clicks when new elements appear as well. Also, background music should be unobstructive and informative, so you can use it as well. Now let's get to enhancing your map animations for impact. We have layering. Don't be afraid to use multiple overlay tracks. Consistency is key as well. Maintain a consistent color palette, font style, and animation speed throughout your map sections. Also, match to your voiceover. If you have a voiceover describing locations, precisely time your map animations and the text reveals to sync with the narration. Now, export your masterpiece once you're done. In here, click export, and we have resolution. Choose 1080 or 4K if your source material allows for crisp detail. You can also choose the best frame rate and format. Map animations in CapCut are a fantastic way to add a professional and engaging touch to your videos. Practice with keyframes, experiment with the different overlays and effects, and you will soon be creating a stunning map visual. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.